In this video, Miss Nyan and Ho Chi Minh City Bar Association will talk about how to divide the property of husband and wife. Article 59. Principles of settlement of property of husband and wife upon divorce. Common property shall be divided into two. Take into account the following factors. A. Circumstances of the family, husband and wife. B. Each spouse's contribution to creation, maintenance, and development of common property. The housework done in the family by a spouse shall be regarded as income-generating labor. C. Protecting the legitimate interests of each spouse in their production, business, and career activities to create condition for them to continue working to generate incomes. D. Each spouse falls in the infringement of spousal rights and obligations.